In Clarendon, Jamaica, there was an old cane field that no one walked through at nights. People said a man was killed there years ago and secretly buried. One night, a young man named Rowan took a shortcut through it because he was late for work. The breeze was still, even the crickets were silent. But halfway through he heard footsteps behind him, slow, dry steps. When he turned around, nothing was there. He started walking faster, then he heard a voice say,
"You step on me grave."
Rowan looked down and saw a sunken patch of earth. When he looked back up, a tall black shadow with glowing red eyes stood in front of him. Rowan ran until he collapsed. The next morning, people found him at the edge of the cane field, barefoot, trembling, and his hair had turned gray.
Have you ever had a Doppie encounter before? Please tell us about it in the comment section.